Hey everyone, this is Preeti from the Krya team, and today I wanted to show you how we make one of our hair color products, the Krya Midnight Black, which is a hair color made with henna, indigo and other herbs. We start with the raw whole herbs. You can see the team processing indigo in the background. We've been buying indigo from the same supplier who we qualified and vetted more than 6 years ago. We buy the herb as leaf. It comes to us, we dry it in our solar drying facility, and then our team painstakingly manually cleans it. It is then processed. Every herb and every Krya product is processed individually, and then it is blended according to the formulation that we have made to make the final product. Now, why am I talking about this today? This is in response to an interesting question we got asked by a consumer who wanted to know how we make our hair colors, more specifically if any part of our manufacturing is outsourced. So she wanted to know if we outsource it by either buying the powder directly or by blending it in a third-party location. Now, no part of any Krya product is outsourced. We make everything by ourselves from scratch from the beginning in the Krya facility. The reason for this is to maintain control over the product and ensure that the product comes to you uncontaminated without any chemicals, using only 100% of the ingredients that we have declared. So you can safely trust every Krya product that you buy from us.